Welcome to my pretend cooking show. My name is Dina Mitchell and this is my kitchen. Prego, bruschetta. What do you like on your bruschetta? I'm going to show you what I like on mine and how I make it. So let's start off with a couple great pieces of bread and some garlic infused oil, olive oil, that I happen to have around almost always. It's great on just about everything. And I am going to put a sizable amount on each of these slices of great Italian bread. And there's nothing like fresh ingredients. All right, I'm gonna put that in my all-clad toaster and let that toast up. Hopefully that works. So I've got about 2 dozen heirloom cherry tomatoes, and they're organic, and I just want that to be really, really fresh. Let me show you what I put in mine. So first off, I am going to put garlic. And to make it easy, I'm going to use my garlic press. And please guys, don't ever use that garlic that comes in a jar. And it's so much better if you don't use the pre-peeled pieces either. You want fresh garlic all the time. So I'm going to press that in. Reason why is that pre-peeled garlic is more pungent, so you really don't have a lot of control over the flavor. I am going to put about 1.5 teaspoons, let's call it an Italian teaspoon of salt. I have some fresh ground pepper in here, about 1/2 teaspoon of that. And I have about a teaspoon of, I've got some red wine vinegar, Cabernet I think it is. Whoops. And I'm going to do some fresh torn basil. I like to tear it because it just has so much more flavor rather than chopping it. If you want it to be nice and pretty, go ahead and chop it up. All these fresh flavors of summer that you can have anytime. Lunch, dinner, appetizer, middle of the night, whatever it may be. All right, so I've got that in there. And now, of course, a great olive oil. And this can make all the difference. Preferably, I would like to have this marinade for about 30 minutes or so before I used it. But this will be great now. All right, let's go ahead and plate this up. I'll move this guy over here. And I think our bread is done. Ooh, perfect. Yum. That garlic olive oil just smells so good. It's filling my house with these amazing flavors. So I am going to just put these on. So colorful. Great flavors. How do you like yours? I'd like to hear about it. If you have some fresh mozzarella, I'd love to put that on there as well. Pesto, whatever it may be. On mine, I'm going to put some fresh shaved Parmigiano Reggiano, just to kind of top it off. All right, this is what I have. I hope you like it. Thanks for joining my pretend cooking show. My name is Dina Mitchell. See you next time. So good.